Hello YouTubers, it's me ACA Hurricane 1275 with my brand new Dell speakers. These speakers are pretty awesome. I'm also going to make them into a tornado warning siren. I'm just going to be using the speakers as themselves, so they're easily transportable or mobile or something like that. And plus I got, the tones I have is Whelen siren tones. See, Whelen, alert, whoop, wail, high-low, and an air horn. I also have Westminster chime, but I'm not gonna sound that because we all know what Westminster chime sounds like. Okay, this is a test voice.
Attention in this area. The following is a regular monthly test of the outdoor warning system. This is not an emergency. This is only a test.
Alert tone. I got volume control too. And whoop tone. And wail tone. And high-low. Air horn. That was my speaker. And that's it. Westminster chime. Okay, I'll sound Westminster chime. Westminster chime is from my grandpa's clock. It's a German clock. It's pretty awesome. I didn't get the actual, the noon type, ding ding or something like that. I didn't get that. I just got the beginning.